Hey everybody, this is the VW guy, and today I'm going to show you how to get the range displayed on your instrument cluster on a Volkswagen Jetta. So this is for 2019 and up Jettas with a digital cluster. So there's a few different ways you can get range to be displayed or change the different driving displays on this. So I'm going to show you a few of them. So one, if you are on this screen here, you can just come over here and select this over button until you get to this, which is driving data. Select OK. Then you're going to go these up and down buttons until you get to range. Range right there in the middle. Select range, and there you go. You'll have range right there in the middle. Otherwise, there's a couple other views that you can have this on as well. So if you come over here to your radio, select car. And when you're on your settings here, you can select these different views. So right now it's on classic view. That's going to have the range in the center there. If you hit view 1 or 2, you're going to get range right there in the middle, right there. And you can do this with different driving functions. You can change your range in the middle to fuel economy, speed, or oil temperature, or whatever else you want in the middle there. I want to thank you for watching this video today. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe.